From shadowy hackers to unseen vulnerabilities, the digital realm is teeming with threats that could compromise your security, finances, and personal information. So what are these threats, and how can you protect yourself? Today, we're diving deep into the world of digital intrigue as we unmask the 8 most dangerous cybersecurity threats. Stick around as we explore the lurking dangers and how you can stay safe in this digital minefield. Ransomware. Let's continue our journey into the world of ransomware and unravel its alarming intricacies. The impact of a ransomware attack can be devastating, as it locks you out of your own data until you pay a ransom to the hackers, usually in cryptocurrency, to remain untraceable. Imagine you're a small business owner, and your computer displays a menacing message demanding thousands of dollars to regain access to your vital customer data and financial records. Panic sets in, and you're left with a difficult decision: pay the ransom and encourage cybercriminals, or try to fight back? Ransomware is a highly profitable business for hackers. Just last year, a prominent shipping company fell prey to this menace and had to fork out a jaw-dropping sum to regain control of their system. This underbelly of the digital world raises intriguing questions. How do hackers infiltrate systems, and what can you do to protect yourself? Fortunately, there are strategies to thwart ransomware attacks. Regularly back up your data, update your software, and, most importantly, educate your team about the dangers of clicking on suspicious links or opening unverified attachments. Phishing. In our next segment, we're pulling back the curtain on the highly deceptive world of phishing. It's a sinister form of cyber trickery that preys on your trust and gullibility. Picture this. You receive an email that appears to be from a reputable source, like your bank or popular online store. It urges you to click a link to resolve an urgent issue with your account. What do? It's a crucial decision that countless people face every day. Phishing is a digital art form where cybercriminals craft convincing emails or messages that mimic legitimate organizations. They often play on your emotions, creating a sense of urgency or fear, making you act without thinking. In our recent research, we discovered some breathtakingly clever phishing attempts that we'll share with you. So, how can you defend yourself against these cunning attacks? Walk through red flags to look out for suspicious emails. Teach yourself how to verify the authenticity of a sender and how to double-check the URL of links you're about to click. Remember, the first line of defense against phishing is your own vigilance, and we're here to arm you with the knowledge you need to protect yourself. Zero-day vulnerabilities. Now it's time to shine a light on the mysterious world of zero-day vulnerabilities. These are like invisible traps that hackers exploit before anyone knows they exist, and they can cause substantial damage. Zero-day vulnerabilities are highly sought after by malicious actors because they provide a golden opportunity to infiltrate systems, evade detection, and cause chaos. A famous case involved a major social media platform, which fell victim to such an attack, leading to a massive data breach. But how do you protect yourself from threats you can't see coming? It's all about proactive measures. Stay up to date with software updates and patches, as many 0 days are addressed in these updates. Regularly scan your systems for unusual activities and monitor your network for signs of intrusion. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to zero-day vulnerabilities, it's paramount. So don't go anywhere, we've got you covered. Advanced Persistent Threats apps. Now, let's venture into the realm of espionage and persistent threats as we explore advanced persistent threats. These sophisticated cyber attacks are often orchestrated by nation-states and well-funded criminal organizations to infiltrate networks, spy on sensitive data, and maintain access over an extended period. Imagine you're the head of a cybersecurity team at a major corporation, and one day you discover that sensitive intellectual property has been quietly siphoned off over the course of months. Your systems were compromised without your knowledge, and now you must fight back against a silent, unseen adversary. Apps are like digital spies, and they often employ an array of techniques, from spear phishing to exploiting unknown vulnerabilities. Apps can be devastating, leading to major data breaches and national security concerns. In fact, a high-profile case involved a major aerospace manufacturer, where state-sponsored hackers made off with classified information. Countering apps requires a multi-layered approach. Explore how organizations can create robust defense strategies, employ advanced threat detection, and enhance employee awareness. IoT vulnerabilities. Welcome to the intriguing world of IoT vulnerabilities, where your smart home devices, from thermostats to fridges, could be gateways for cyber intruders. These seemingly harmless gadgets can pose significant risks if not properly secured. Picture this. You're comfortably nestled in your living room, and suddenly your smart TV starts displaying a menacing message from an unknown hacker who has taken control. How did they gain access? Your smart home has become a source of danger. IoT devices have flooded our homes, but many come with inadequate security features, making them prime targets for cybercriminals. Recent news has brought to light horrifying stories of baby monitors being hacked and security cameras streaming live feeds to strangers. So, how can you secure your IoT devices and protect your privacy? Delve into setting strong, unique passwords, updating firmware regularly, and segmenting your network to keep your smart devices isolated from your critical data. Social engineering. Our exploration of the digital threat landscape wouldn't be complete without discussing social engineering. It's a psychological game where cybercriminals exploit human nature to manipulate individuals or organizations into revealing sensitive information or taking actions that compromise security. Imagine receiving a call from someone claiming to be from your bank, asking for your account details to verify your identity, or receiving a seemingly harmless email attachment that, when opened, triggers a malicious download. Social engineering attacks like these can target anyone and are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Social engineering attacks can take various forms, such as phishing, voice phishing, baiting, and pretexting. They often prey on trust, curiosity, fear, or authority to deceive individuals or employees into divulging sensitive information, making financial transactions, or unknowingly downloading malware. Protecting yourself against social engineering requires a combination of vigilance and awareness. Be skeptical of unsolicited requests for personal or sensitive information, whether through email, phone calls, or in person. Verify the identity of the requester independently, especially if the request seems unusual or urgent. Implement strong security policies, provide training to your team, and encourage them to report any suspicious activity. Insider threats. Our journey through the cyber threat landscape wouldn't be complete without shining a spotlight on insider threats. These are individuals within an organization who pose a significant risk by intentionally or carelessly exposing sensitive data or undermining security. Insider threats come in various forms, from the malicious insider who intentionally harms the organization to the negligent insider who makes mistakes without malicious intent. An infamous case involves Edward Snowden, who leaked classified NSA documents highlighting the potential harm insiders can cause. Mitigating insider threats requires a combination of security policies, employee training, and technology solutions. Organizations need to establish clear policies and procedures, monitor employee activities, and implement robust access controls to limit sensitive data exposure. Encourage a culture of trust, but verify employee actions to maintain security. Distributed denial service attacks. Our journey through the realm of cybersecurity threats takes an even more sinister turn as we delve into DDoS attacks. These high-impact, low-technology assaults can disrupt online services, cripple websites, and cause significant financial losses. It involves overwhelming a target's online services with a flood of traffic. This traffic surge is often generated by a network of compromised devices, known as a botnet. The most notorious case involved the attack on a major internet infrastructure provider, temporarily rendering popular websites inaccessible. Defending against this attack involves a combination of technical solutions and planning. Organizations need to employ robust traffic filtering and load balancing solutions to mitigate the impact of these attacks. DDoS protection services can also help absorb the traffic flood. Additionally, having an incident response plan in place is crucial to minimize downtime and damage. Protection strategies. Before we conclude, let's discuss how you can protect yourself against these evolving cybersecurity threats. Whether you're an individual or an organization, being proactive and well-prepared is your best defense. Here are some essential strategies. First and foremost, keep your systems and software up to date. Regularly applying patches and updates is crucial to close known vulnerabilities. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and consider using a reputable password manager to keep them secure. Educate yourself and your team about these threats. Regular training and awareness programs can help identify and mitigate risks. Encourage a culture of cybersecurity in your workplace or at home. Always back up your data regularly. This is your insurance policy in case you fall victim to a ransomware attack. The ability to restore your data from a secure backup can be a lifesaver. That's it for today's exploration of the 8 most dangerous cybersecurity threats. Whether you're an individual or a business owner, being informed and proactive is your best defense. Remember, the digital world can be a treacherous place, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate it safely. If you found this video helpful, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.